Hey guys, my name's Eric. Thanks for stopping by, and we're looking at the Big Luna build story. Big Luna is a 2004 Thor Hurricane that my wife and myself decided to purchase and rebuild and rehab for ourselves so we could do the RV lifestyle. My wife and I have been camping for many, many years with different rigs. We've had fifth wheels and trailers, and we've even done some tent camping. But Big Luna came to us um, because we decided that we would like to rehab and rebuild something for ourselves. So this is the journey of Big Luna. We will take you from start to finish, and we'll even show you how we created a spot on the side of the house for her. Hope you enjoy. You take care. Hey guys, again, thanks for stopping by and looking at our channel. The video that I'm about to show you was shot on a cell phone, so the video quality is not the best, and I understand that the sizing proportion is vertical and not horizontal. That's due to the fact that you wouldn't be able to see the whole video picture if I didn't do it this way. So bear with me for a little bit and look forward to showing you the motorhome. Thanks. Well, today we're going to start showing you a little bit of the work that we did in here. Completely redid all the steps. All the corners were welded when we made our trim pieces. As we step in, you can see that we completely redid the captain's chairs, the carpet, and the dash. The dash is all vinyl. It was an overlay over the existing. We even redid the visors, captain seats. We're still gonna have to put the arms on. We're having those padded a little extra. We pan around here, you can see the new sofas that we installed and dinette up close to the floor. There's still some trim work that needs to be done on that. Come across, you can see the flag that I made in honor of my sister-in-law who passed away from breast cancer, and my wife who is an oncology nurse. You can come around and see the sink that we did. I got the inspiration because we like farm sinks, and I wanted to do a farm sink. And you got the little sun blocker on there. Everything is in theme of red, white, and blue. We're doing an all-American theme because we love America. The stickers are actual tile, or the tile are actual stickers, however you want to word that. It's just literally a 12 by 12 sticky tile that adheres to the wall. It cleans up very nice, and it has a heat resistance to it. So we'll go ahead and head on back a little bit. You can see that the dog bed and a couple things are on the bed, but we redid the bed. In here is where the washer and dryer is going to go. Got some storage stuff in there right now, but I lined that with cedar inside. Back here, we're carrying on our red, white, and blue theme. And those curtains are going to be going up soon, as well as a flat screen TV. I'm going to pan around here, show you the restroom. The restroom is the whole shower and pan has been replaced, and we just have a couple things in here screened. I'm going to be rescreening, and of course you can see the sink that I did. This is an actual wood sink. Most people are saying, why would you put a wood sink in a motorhome, or why would you do a wood sink at all? It actually has a poly resin that's in it. It's the same material that's used for bar tops that you would see in a restaurant that would have like a quarter or something in it. It's extremely tough, very, very durable, and it's also waterproof. So when the water comes in here, it's completely sealed the way I poured it, so every corner is sealed and goes from there. We put in a brand new Dometic toilet. The other one was a hand flush. Nasty. And believe it or not, this bathroom used to have carpet inside of it, and how gross is that? When I ripped all the carpet out of here, it was all around the toilet, and we called it the pee-pee carpet. Put all new towel bars in. New toilet papers and a hook, and here's another look at where the laundry is going to end up going. We decided to two-tone paint everything in here, a blue, silver, and a gray, and that's how we were able to get the unit where the colors we were looking for. The floor is a vinyl floor, kind of a snap-together free-floating floor. We chose a vinyl free-floating floor because the RV actually moves and flexes, so we wanted the vinyl floor to be able to do that. These are RecPro seats and dinette, along with the sofa bed. We upgraded to a gel mattress that comes inside that, so it'd be very comfortable for our son, and then if our grandson goes with us, he'll be here. But the vinyl floor is very durable, very strong, holds up well, and it doesn't stink anymore like it used to. Well, thanks so much for coming along and with this journey that we're doing, and I'm sure we'll have some more updates. So here are some of the modifications that we did over the years. The paint job, you can see here where I actually masked off the original stickers. I didn't remove them, but we used lacquer thinner, taped them off, sanded them, and then we picked some colors that we thought were going to work with our theme, which was the red, white, and blue. So as you can see here, I've got the whole motorhome taped off at the decals themselves and started spraying them, which came out pretty nice. We actually added some other stickers also, I'll show you later. This is the interior here, where we actually completely demoed and gutted the inside, except for the substructures. All the walls were painted, the TV was removed, crown molding was put up, and then we did some more work on the electrical and stuff under here. This is where I removed the shower pan and put a new pan in and rebuilt this wall with the wainscoting on it. The new shower pan was pretty simple to put in once we got going, and that's the old sinks. And I'll show you some videos where we came in. That is the flooring in the bathroom, which we tore all the old carpet out. It was quite a bit of work, but it was a fun project. We continued the wainscoting on the outside here, and this was the original door that came in it, but we actually painted it. This is the wooden sink that I made for it, and you can see, you saw where we had covered it with resin. One of the other things that people have asked us about was what was the wood that we used in creating both the kitchen sink and the bathroom sink. And that was very simple. We just purchased this lumber from Lowe's. It was just a stock piece of wood that they had, and it really seemed to work out pretty good for us. It was just really cheap, inexpensive pine that we were able to cut and shape and have it fit the style that we want. And the style that we wanted for the kitchen was going to be a farm sink, and I made the farm sink to match pretty much what we had on our house. Came out pretty nice. I'm really happy with it. We don't have a garbage disposal, but it does have a big drain. And then we stained it to a darker color, and then finished it with a resin. Same thing in the bathroom. I did the same thing with the bathroom sinks. Then we went ahead and set up a paint booth on the side of the house and took everything out of the RV and started painting it. So I literally used a Harbor Freight gun, and we were able to just start painting from there. Same thing with the interior. After we had all the walls built, we put that up with the bathroom and the bedrooms also. Same thing with the bathroom. Went ahead and painted the doors and cabinets different colors so it looked good. And here was the final into the kitchen. We used a vinyl sticky tile that looks just like regular vinyl. I actually put a seat in. Ha ha ha. Not really. But we did have those recovered. New according door for the bathroom, and then we decided to have the upholstery done on all the interior. And here's a short video of how he did that. They basically came in, cut the patterns to work to fit, and started some sewing and then reapplying the vinyl to cover the whole interior. This was quite a quite a process here. It took him a couple days to make the pattern and um, make it fit right. This was way beyond my scope of expertise. I'm a carpenter, but I am not an upholsterer. So we hired this gentleman to come in and do this for us, and he did a really nice job. I gotta say, he was very professional when he did. The edges that he's putting down right now, you see he's gonna spray a little bit of glue on that to have that edge stick. We did have the windshields redone, so we were able to pull the windshield out and get that to stick down a little bit better. But he did a phenomenal job on it, and it looks like it came from the factory this way. Very inexpensive to have done, less than $1,000 for that portion of it. And you can see here where he's spraying it down, and that works pretty good. He just used some cardboard and kind of blocked it and then tucked it in there with a tool. I had to say that this was probably one of the most fascinating parts for me, because I've never seen anybody do something like this, and just years of knowledge with this man. And I'm spending a little bit more time on this only because I would say that this was probably one of the best decisions we did. The old dash was brown, tan, it was funky looking, 1980 style, even though it's a 2004 coach. It looked horrible. But we did go to Rec Pros and replaced all the dinette set, and then you can see this is kind of the finish that we had when we were done. The farm sinks came out beautiful, the flooring came out beautiful. We have since then added a few more things. I've made a table that kind of, when it slides out, kind of takes place of everything, and go from there. This has been just a phenomenal project for us. We love it. We camp all the time. My wife is a nurse, so when she can get time off work from her job, we go out. I'm a semi-retired contractor, so I have a little bit more freedom. But I just wanted to say thank you for joining us on this journey, and I'll be updating our videos on the Big Luna project as we go. Thank you so much. Take care, and God bless.